So we're making a chicken pasta today with tomatoes, but this one's got a real kick to it. There's quite a lot of chili in there, fresh chili and chili powder. It's very, very simple to make. Making it with fresh tomatoes, not canned tomatoes, though if you wanted, you could. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so here we go. What I've got here is chicken breast, no skin, no bone. I've cut it into nice thin pieces, strips. To be honest, you can cut it exactly how you want. I've got there like 3 cups or 2 decent size breasts. I've got 3 cups or 3 decent sized tomatoes there. Try and use a nice ripe tomato. We're going with fresh tomatoes today, although if you wanted, you could use a canned tomato. 1 cup of onions, 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 2 teaspoons of chili, 2 teaspoons of oregano, and I'm going for quite a lot of fresh chili today. You can adjust that. You can put none in if you want. You can go 0 fresh chili. But yeah, we are going to make this a bit spicy. What we're going to do first is I just want to fry the chicken off. Okay, so here we go. I've got in there about 3 or 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Heat's on. We're going to drop in the chicken. And you can see I've cut it in those thin strips. We're going to add salt and pepper. I'm going first with quite a lot of pepper and salt. Now what I want to do is I just want to fry this off for about 4 minutes or so. Like I said, it's cut really thin, so it's going to cook quite quickly. Okay, just 4 or 5 minutes, cooks really nicely. What we're going to do now is I want to remove the chicken, set it aside, and we're going to come back in this pan. Okay, so back in the pan, got some lovely flavors there. We're going to go 1 cup of onion, tablespoon of chopped garlic, and we're going to cook these for about 5 or so minutes. Now, what I want you to do is get your pasta ready. I'm not going to talk to you about pasta until it goes in. So I'm going to be using about 3 or 4 cups of farfalle today, but you can use any pasta that you want. Fabulous. Now we're going to add the fresh tomato. To that we're going to add 2 teaspoons of oregano, or oregano as some of you call it, and the chili powder and the fresh chili. Now we're going to cook this for about 6 or 7 minutes. I mean, this is why I wanted to cook the chicken first. I wanted to fry that off. And we're going to reintroduce it because I really want to cook these tomatoes down. Now, if you've used a nice juicy ripe tomato like I have, you're going to get some form of moisture or liquid from it. If you don't worry, we can add a bit of water in there. But yeah, give it a stir every now and then. Let's cook these right down. Okay, so you can see that those tomatoes are cooking down nicely and got a nice bit of moisture from them. If you didn't at all, just add a little splash of water. What we're going to do now is we're going to get our chicken back in and any lovely juices from that. Now I think we've got enough salt and pepper on the chicken, but you can test the sauce at the end. But for me, I think it's going to be okay. And like I say, if I had cooked the chicken then added the tomatoes to it, this chicken would be really overcooked, and that's not really what we want. Okay, just 2 or 3 more minutes, stirring it around. Only a couple more things to do. Beautiful, really spicy that is. Parmesan cheese. In that goes. And then we're just going to add our pasta, our cooked pasta. Like I say, I'm using a farfalle today. You can use anything that you want. In it goes again. About 3 or 4 minutes now, because this pasta's cold. Well, it's not hot, it's warm. So we're going to kind of get some of that sauce all over the pasta. And that's it, job done. Okay, and there you have it. Very, very simple chicken, tomato, pasta with a real kick to it. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now, if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one.